In this quick guide, I'll show you how to integrate Mailchimp with your favorite apps in just a few minutes. Once you're inside your Mailchimp dashboard, head to the integrations section. This is where the magic happens. It's the bridge between Mailchimp and tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, Shopify, Google Forms, and many more. For example, if you want to connect Zapier, simply search for it in the integrations search bar and follow the steps. This unlocks powerful automation that saves you time. Or if you're a data-driven marketer, link Google Analytics to track exactly how people interact with your site after opening your email. You can also connect Google Forms so survey responses automatically update your Mailchimp contacts, keeping your list fresh without manual work. Local businesses can even integrate their Google Business Profile to boost visibility directly on search and maps. Every integration may ask for specific permissions, so just follow the prompts and you'll be connected in no time. By integrating Mailchimp, you're not just streamlining tasks. You're unlocking new opportunities to grow and personalize your email marketing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tutorials. Happy integrating!